Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. It only has one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors with signals, step rails, rain guards, deep tinted glass, and much more. Toyota's Tacoma is the best compact truck for those with an active outdoor lifestyle. This Tacoma has 17-inch machined alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Tacoma is in great condition. It has auto-off projector beam halogen headlamps and LED daytime running lights, along with fog lights, a tow hook, and a really nice black grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Tacoma has rear-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 21 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Tacoma only has 13,257 miles on it. At the back of the Tacoma, you can see the antenna, the cargo lamps, and the power sliding window, along with the tow package, step bumper, large LED brake lights, and locking tailgate. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Tacoma has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the cup holders and the seat back storage, as well as the under seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You also have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. The Tacoma is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the cargo lamp, the power rear window, the power door locks, and the power windows with driver express down. This Tacoma has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you can see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports. As well as a lifetime vehicle exchange program, we will buy your car at any time. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.